How to change name on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video where I show you that how you can change name on Facebook. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to open your Facebook account, and now from here you'll have to tap on these three lines just at the top right corner of your screen. So simply tap on it, and here you have to go for the option settings. So from here you'll have to go with the option see more in account center. So from here, you will have to click on this profile icon. It will appear on the first. And from the profile section, you will have to select your Facebook account. And simply from here, you will have to choose the options name. And here you got the options to change your name from here. So simply, you have to type a new name on this first name and surname. So simply, I'm giving a random name on this. Alright, so after typing the new name for your Facebook, you'll have to simply done. So simply after that you have to click on this review change option. Okay, so from here you will have to confirm again to change the name of your Facebook. So simply click on this save change option. Okay, so the name has been updated and changed successfully on my Facebook. So I remind you that once you change your name on Facebook, so you have to wait for the 60 days to change it again. So that's all. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.